Okay, so this first look is more of a sporty look. These gray sweatpants are very comfortable, and this is how I would dress if I was going to the games, the Seahawks game, that is. I switched it up a little bit. I simply added on a nice cardigan and some combat boots. And this is something you can wear for casual Friday. This will take you from the office to happy hour to even out on a date at night with your boo. So just by adding on a white tee, a nice cardigan, and some combat boots, you can switch up these sweatpants to make them look a little more dressy. And it's still very, very comfortable. Next look is something that you can wear to work. Just throw on a different sweater and a nice pair of heels. And this is something you can wear in the office on casual Friday, or you can also wear this out. You can add a belt if you like around here to sort of give it some shape. But this is a cute little outfit that you can wear with your sweatpants. Still comfortable, but sexy. Okay, you guys, now we have the black sweatpants, and just keep it simple with a added tee. Very comfortable. You can wear this anywhere, or just lounge around at home if you need to. This is a very comfortable outfit for if you're working from home, you have Zoom meetings. Very relaxed, yet still professional. Also good for running errands. I think you can do pretty much anything with this. You could even wear this on a casual Friday at work. Now this look you can wear to work on a casual day. I think you can wear this pretty much on any day at work. Because even though they're sweatpants, it looks like you have on regular black pants. Very comfortable, very stylish, very professional. This is the last look. The third look with the black sweatpants. You can pair it with a bright color. Like in this instance, I'm pairing it with a really bright fuchsia. A nice t-shirt and some combat boots. And as a bonus, you can layer this if it's a little cool in your area with a nice shirt to match. And it just gives it a whole nother vibe. This is something you can definitely wear on casual Friday, or if you're hanging out after hours for drinks, going to the movies or to dinner with your boo. Leave it open or buttoned up, put on a belt with it. So, there you have it. time for the burgundy pair of sweatpants. Can you guess what my other favorite team is? This is my hometown team. And it goes perfect with these burgundy sweatpants. This is the next look. It's just a look that you could maybe run around town in if you want to visit relatives or running errands, but this is a more dressed up casual look, more like an elevated lounge look, where you have the tee with the shoulder pads, the favorite bag, some booties. Very comfortable, but still very stylish. Okay, this is the third look with these burgundy sweatpants, and this is good for a casual Friday. I can see wearing this to work. Very comfortable, stylish, and professional. Again, with a duster like this, you could always throw on a belt to make it look even more snatched. But yeah, this is the third look.